Yes, the next question is a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. What is given? See, this is right circular cylinder, height is 15 centimeter, it is filled with full ice cream. Okay, and diameter is what? Diameter is here 12 centimeter. Then what will be radius? Radius will be 6 centimeter. Okay, the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter. Now this ice cream is filled into the cones, height is 12 centimeter and diameter is your 6 centimeter, then radius will become 3 centimeter. Okay. Now having hemispherical shape of a top, because ice cream is scooped just like on the cone, top of the cone in hemispherical shape. Okay. Now what we want for to get the volume of hemisphere? We want its radius, and radius is given us 3 centimeter. It is same as the radius of the cone. Now come on. Find the number of such cones which can be filled in the ice cream. You have to find how many cones you can get from this, the amount of ice cream is filled into the cylinder. Okay, now come on. What is, how can we get number of, first of all you find out how much ice cream you will get, ice cream is filled into this cone. Because this cone is made up by two solids. One is cone, this is cone is filled with ice cream made up by two solid. One is cone and one is hemisphere. What is hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube, and volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. But here I have taken r1 and h1 for its notation. Now volume of one ice cream cone filled with ice cream. Okay, volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, that is 1 upon 3 pi r1 square h1. Yes, put values here. 1 upon 3 pi r1 square. R1 is what? 3. So you can write 3 into 3. Then h1 plus 2r1. What is h1? 12 plus 2r1. R1 is 3 here, and this will be 2 into 3. Okay. Then 3 to 3 cut. This is pi into 3. What is remaining? See here, 12 plus 2 3 are 6. 12 plus 6, 18 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone of one ice cream cone which is filled with ice cream. Yes, now what you have to find out? You have to find number of cones. And what will be number of cones? Volume of cylindrical cylinder container upon volume of one ice cream cone filled with ice cream. Okay, for cylindrical container, radius is given to you 6 centimeter and height is given to you 15 centimeter. What is volume of the cylinder? Volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. So pi is here r. R square means 6 into 6. H is here 15. And we got it here 3 into 18. Pi to pi cut. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. So 5 2s are 10. Number of cones are 10. 10 is your answer. Yes, now the next question is, how many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and of thickness of 2 millimeters, millimeter is given to you, okay, must be melted to form a cuboid of dimensions 5.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. What you have to find out? You have to find number of coins. First of all, one very good thing, that coin is in which shape? We have a 5 rupees coin. Okay. Now, just you think it. Coin is in which shape of solid? Yes, very good. Coin is in cylindrical shape because it has radius also, it has thickness, height also. Here, coin is in cylindrical shape, radius is 1.75 upon 2 because diameter is given to you, and height h1 is 2 millimeter. You can convert in centimeter, this will be 0.2 centimeter. Okay, one more thing it is, when we have a block, it is in shape of cuboid. L, B and H, all three things are given to you. You have to find number of coins. Then how can you get number of coins when you have a block biscuit of silver biscuit if you have? If I have a silver biscuit, I want to make its coins to distribute you among, because you are very good students of me. है ना? This Diwali I want to give one gift from my side because we are going to complete this chapter. So how many coins I will get it? This we have to find out. I have a one silver block like this. This is black, no? This is silver block. L, B and H, all three things are given to you. Now come on. Number of coins will be volume of cuboid upon volume of one coin. Then volume of cuboid is what? L into B into H. L into, I can write here, L into B into H. And what is volume of one coin? Coin is the shape of cylinder. Pi r square H1. Yes, come on. I'm going to put the values. L is what? 5.5 centimeter. B is 10. And this is H is 3.5 centimeter upon. Pi is 22 upon 7. R is 1.75 upon 2. Because square is there, then 1.75 upon 2 again. What is H1? It is 0.2. Okay, this we have to simplify. How can we simplify? Just you see, 5.5 into 10 into 3.5. These all denominators will go up. This is 7 into 2 into 2. And what is remaining? This 22, 1.75, 1.75 into 0.2. Okay, now trying to solve. 1, 2. This is 10, 10. This is your 100. Again, removing this 100. Remove this, you will get 10. Okay, now see. 2 zeros, 1, 2. 1, 2. This 2 cut. Okay. Then see, 11 2s are 11 5s are 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5, 35 to 35 cut. Okay, 5 1s are 5. This is 35. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are. Okay, then what will come? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. What is remaining? 2 into 2 into 100. This is 400 coins. You can make it with help of that